Judo is one form of a martial art, and it's something great because I can share this experience with you, with all of you. Well, I've been a martial art myself. I am a Shotokan and black belt first done, and due to my busy schedule, I couldn't go my further belt. But if I'm studying an NFL my life, although being a sports person in the field of football, hockey, I played for golf, or even international sport. I've been very much involved in sports. And moreover, martial arts actually makes you internally, Sir Chitravital, makes you very strong. Your mind, your body, your soul makes you so strong that no one can tackle you. You can face any difficulties, any issues, any problems as you grow, as you step on life ahead. We are talking about human empowerment. You have to be on your feet. If anybody tries to tackle you today, see so many cases, so many different types of cases all over the country, and a few places here and there, where women are, being taken advantage of. So if once you're judo or you're a martial art or a sportswoman, and you're intelligent, you have the common sense, you can find yourself anywhere in the world. No one can tackle you.
Ju means gender, and Do means way. The meaning of judo is the way of gentleness. In judo, the discipline is very, very important. Judo is started in Japan. Judo comes from Jujutsu. Jujutsu is the mother of all martial arts. Judo comes from Jujutsu. Judo started by Dr. Shigeru Kano in 1882 Tokyo. In very few years, judo is very popular in Japan. The Shigeru Kano traveled all over the world. He given the demonstrations of judo and he started judo all over the world.
Judo is primarily a throwing style of martial arts. One of the main characteristics that sets it apart is the practice of using an adversary's force against them. By definition, Kanko's art stresses defense.